A cat will be your friend, but never your slave. Anyone who considers protocol unimportant has never dealt with a cat. The ideal of calm exists in a sitting cat.
My idea of absolute happiness is to be in bed on a rainy day with my blankie, my cat, and my dog. You can't look at a sleeping cat and be tense. One small cat changes coming home to an empty house to coming home.
A cat is only itself, representative of the strong forces of life that won't let go. There's a lot of cat videos. Cats are just hilarious. No matter how hard you try to teach your cat general relativity, you're going to fail. I believe cats to be spirits come to earth. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. I collect records. And cats. I don't have any cats right now. But if I'm taking a walk and I see a cat, I'm happy. In 9 lifetimes, you'll never know as much about your cat as your cat knows about you. What do I care about the purring of one who cannot love, like the cat? A dog is like a liberal. He wants to please everybody. A cat really doesn't need to know that everybody loves him. A black cat crossing your path signifies that the animal is going somewhere.